I have so many solar lights, I think I could light up a runway. I'm Sarah with WTI, and even though I've had enough solar lights to last me a lifetime, sometimes you just get one that's so special that you have to tell everyone about it. These solar floor lamps with the attached planter has given my front porch a classy, timeless, and elegant feel. They were super easy to put together. I didn't even need any tools, and with just the flip of a switch on the solar panel, they were ready to bring classic charm to my porch. I put hostas in my planters, and I've had them there for a little while now, and they seem very happy and they're growing very well. I also want to bring out the durability. I was very impressed by this. Everything is made from a durable material, and it has withstood thunderstorms, wind, and sunshine. I love the beautiful glow that these give off on my porch. It's the perfect amount of light to illuminate my porch stairs, and I love that it's not too bright that it's blinding. So if you're looking for a unique way to add some charm and beauty to your yard, garden, or porch area, then I think you'll love these solar floor lamps as much as I do. And that's my point of view.